Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to find Google Chat on your phone. If you feel that you already download a Google Chat on your phone but there is no displaying on your screen, it's so easy. You just need to slide your screen into the left side until you find out the app library. But then if you forget the symbol of the application and you are not sure which application is Google Chat is, so you just need to go into this search button, and now you just need to type Google Chat, and there will be appear right in the screen. And after that, you just need to click it to enter the application. And how to find someone in a Google Chat, you just need to go into the search button, just click it, and now you can find the conversation, even the space that you already in your Google Chat. For example, I want to looking for Miftah Sadia, and here it is. So this is the conversation you with Miftah Sadia. And that's all the way how you find the Google Chat on your phone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.